Updating your profile details on Zelle is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Open the Zelle app. Launch the Zelle app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged in with your account credentials. Step 2. Access profile settings. Navigate to the settings or profile section of the app. This is usually represented by a gear icon or your profile picture. Step 3. Select Edit Profile. Look for an option that says Edit Profile or Profile Details. Tap on it to begin making changes to your information. Step 4. Update your information. Enter the new details you wish to update, such as your name, email address, or phone number. Ensure all information is accurate and up to date. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your information, look for a Save or Update button. Tap it to confirm your changes and ensure they are applied to your profile. Now your profile details on Zelle are updated. Make sure to check your information periodically to keep it current.